Don't tell me what to do.
So let it do by yourself. It's not a passenger.
What's that? Start doing the video. You said I shouldn't do anything.
We are begging you.
You can do the video. What law is against it? Please tell me what law is against it. Can you tell me the law that's against it?
Anybody.
Hold on. Can you tell me the law that's against it?
You are ready to go to jail. I'm making noise.
No, can you tell me the law that's against it?
Who are you? What do you want to do?
What do you mean they're making noise? What do you mean they're making noise?
You motherfucker, we feeling you. We both have a ticket. That's a man. I will not say. Don't go, my man. I know it's my man. Low. My man.
Doesn't make any sense.
Well, done now 1 week now. 1 week. You take my hand luggage. Everything you took it from me. I don't have nothing.
I feel that drunk that when I get to Nigeria, I'm going to give you.
But I'm running more.
We just have people walking now. I have a lot of shoe in my bag. I have
Like I said, I'm a ground staff and I'm just based on what I have. When I address people, you were
the information you gave us the last time, the information is not correct.
Wait, it was.
It wasn't.
Partly correct. You people were more than this. Some of them got that.
None.
We have a group chat. We have a group chat. All of us got our bag.
None of us.
I can assure you, people got their bag.
Sir, I can bet you.
Don't anything. None of us.
Don't swear. Don't swear. See,
This kind of
it's very evil here.
Yesterday, those people that got their bags was from Saturday, last week Saturday people, not even Monday, not Tuesday, not Wednesday.
Play that video.